Tired of battling dry, damaged hair that looks dull and lifeless? Imagine a single product that not only detangles but also restores your hair's natural shine and strength every time you use it. This leave-in nourishing treatment does just that. It's designed to repair, protect, and enhance your hair without weighing it down or leaving residue. From personal experience and countless reviews, this treatment stands out because it addresses multiple hair concerns at once. It smooths frizz, seals in your color, and acts as a heat protectant before styling. That means whether you're blow-drying or flat ironing, your hair stays shielded from damage. Plus, it helps prevent split ends and breakage, so your hair looks healthier day after day. The best part? It leaves your hair feeling soft, silky, and bouncy with a natural body that shines through. If you're someone who cares about the ingredients in your hair products, this treatment aligns with a cruelty-free philosophy. No animal testing, just smarter, more ethical research methods. That's a bonus worth noting for anyone seeking effective and responsible hair care. Worth a look if you want a product that truly delivers on its promises without fuss. It's easy to use, works on all hair types, and keeps your color vibrant by acting like a natural sunscreen against fading and brassiness. If that's you, this nourishing leave-in treatment might just be the missing step in your hair routine. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves. With consistent use, you'll notice stronger, shinier, and more manageable hair that feels as good as it looks. Take the step toward healthier hair today. Your strands will thank you.